Alright, so this is our tiny house wood-fired water heater. Now, it is not complicated to make whatsoever. Very functional. Got myself a little tiny wood stove. It ain't no bigger than, 1-2 good-sized logs. I used a heat exchanger from a tankless water heater. Sweated on some soft copper. I flared it to get it over this pipe and adapted it to 1/2 inch. Put myself in some flex lines so that way I can grab this whole thing and just move it off and use the top for cooking. My pipes go out the wall right here. Now I'll take you around. And this is the shower. So here we have a 5-6 gallon keg, and we have one pipe coming out on the bottom side with the ball valve, and the other one coming in towards the top. And the reason you don't put it all the way at the top is because you want water going all the way up above that outlet pipe, and that creates or prevents creating steam. But yeah, you just would open your ball valve, let the water run. It's going to fill up that heat exchanger, and as the wood and fire gets hotter, it's going to circulate the water, bring it back in here, creating a siphon, heating up the keg. And then I have a plug down in here, and all you do is hook up a shower arm to that. I'm just using a hose at the moment, hanging right there, and that's all there is to it.